that, you guys, those fireworks were so lit. They might be doing some more, but I hope they will, because like, I've never seen fireworks in a very long time. I can see some flames, you know. Well, I saw some flames. Oh yeah, they're doing more, I think. Just don't go read the old ones. They're doing a cool flashlight. Oh yeah, they're doing more, guys. They're doing more. They're literally doing 2 more. Yo, let's go. They're doing more, Cedra! Oh! Oh! Guys, that was on top of our house, you know. What the? Dude, that was on our house. That was literally over our house. Yo. Cedra, the 2 of them went out on top of our house. It literally went on top of our house.
Hey, close the door. I can't go out.
Screw you guys. You guys, that family is so... Yo, they're bringing more out. Let's go, dude. Yo, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, because yo, you guys are gonna love Holy crap! Holy crap! Did you guys just see that? Yo, what the fuck? Did you guys hear me screaming? Oh my god! Oh my god! Should I let you watch it? Because I'm still vlogging and it's actually very cool. I'm gonna let you watch it. I thought I'm gonna let my sister watch it because my baby sister wanted her to go outside. I think they're doing more. Yeah, they're doing more. Oh my gosh, you guys smell that? I'm literally breathing smoke out of my mouth. Guys, I'm so lucky to have these kind of neighbors. This is like the best day of my life. Wait, I see some... Back. Aw, to put some music on. Okay, when I see the flames, I know there's gonna be some more fireworks. Oh, did you guys see that one? They're putting some more. No, they're putting some more. Yo, they're putting... Oh! Oh! Dorothy! Dorothy! Live, Bobby! Live! Yo! Subscribe to my channel right now. Subscribe right now. I don't care how much views this gets. Just subscribe. Yo, did you guys see that? Oh, let's go. Dude. Yo, I'm bouncing everywhere right now. I'm not leaving until they finish. Ooh, that music is nice. They're doing so much fireworks. It's all going over our house for some reason. Oh, they're gonna put some more out. Yo, that family is so rich. Those are like 100 pounds each. It's like a lot of money. Okay, they're all putting some more. Well, I hope they are. Because, dude, it's just Halloween and they're still doing it. It's only Halloween. I mean, I don't celebrate Halloween, but I mean, come on, it's just like don't know why you guys are doing so much fireworks. I mean, it is pretty cool. You do want to impress some people and women and that. Oh, come on! It's so expensive, but I mean, it is pretty fun. Yo, they're doing a fire or something. I don't know. One thing that I know is that there are so much fireworks coming out of our roof. Yo, our house is getting filled with these fireworks. Okay, well, I just saw some more reflection of it on my window, on my door. Dude, there's so much fireworks everywhere. You guys hit the subscribe button and like and share this video. You have to share this to your family members, or you guys can show it to your family members, but you know, both are nice. But you may want to share them because it'll be nicer. Well, if you can't share it. Oh, guys, look at that one, look at that one. Yay! Let's go! Oh, I don't think they're doing anymore. Or maybe they're getting some more. I don't know how they buy all of it. I mean, it's so much money. Like, I don't know how much. But I'm pretty sure all the neighbors are gonna be woken up by now. Look, there's somebody else coming. They might be putting some more. Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're coming. Oh! You guys, this is so lit. You guys are making me so happy right now. This is the best video ever that I have ever made, I think. And I hope you guys will all enjoy this because I'm right now being as brave as a chicken trying to run away from a person who's trying to kill them. And that's because I'm a complete psychopath trying to kill people. Yes, I do want to kill some people right now. JK. But I still want to kill a chicken. Okay. Oh, little tiny firework over there. They're not doing any more. Aww. Well, I'm just gonna keep on recording until they do so. Because if they don't do it, then I'm gonna cry. Also, my birthday is on the 1st of January, which is... Yeah, this is pointless. There are loads of fireworks going off, but not from those people. So I'm just gonna end the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells.